This is the place?
Yes, this is it.
This is the place? What the place looks so? This can't be the place what was on the site. Board this up. Rubber this up. A construction site this. Watch out. Stop this. No, go back. No, we're going. That place that look like this. I care people go read. They'll start reading. I don't want They're gonna make us famous, so seriously, relax. That place I can't make you famous. That place where you can't come down. They don't watch news. Sometimes you have to start from now. Maybe this is a startup. Just relax a little bit. Calm yourself down. We're gonna go and see what it is. And if we don't like it, then we leave. No man, so I'm gonna start up. Come on, let's go. You ever get me some things, you know?
Yeah, hi guys. So, your girl Sassy Stacy, you know the fashionista. Welcome back to my fashion channel. Here what I want to know though. I got something important. I want you to tell me which one of them you think look better, this or this. I want to know vote. Right? What is wrong with you? I want to know vote, guys, because you don't know your girl have to look at. Your girl have to look at and you don't know say.
And this me like.
Me, I want your opinion. I want my fans them tell me which one of them look better. So, as I was saying, guys.
How
them?
You can, you know.
Yeah, mess up. Go upstairs.
Sorry. And the new tenant then.
Go upstairs, man. Wait until I go upstairs, man. Show me camera then, show.
How we gonna look thirsty? Oh, yeah, now.
Come on, mom. My girl.
style.
Come on. Come, hurry up.
Hurry up, man. Hurry up. On to them.
You know what? I must take them ads.
Watch out. Go on, date.
Yeah, guys. So as I say, vote. Cause your girl.
But me don't tell you this be like you, so then
when me tell you, say big man.
Alright, dating.
So vote, guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to my live. You don't know it's your girl Brick Brat, so it's here. You don't know some of the social laws 101. Just keep on updated with all the nice things, but the things we are going. Even though I'm not sure what I'm going yet, but just keep on.
It's been so awful.
Hi guys, so there are two females here. There are twins, guys. You know.
Yes, you're twins.
Yes.
You're doing a live, right?
Yeah. I'm doing live.
Okay, what is your name? What's your channel?
It's Brick Brat.
Oh, we saw you on the side. Hi, Brick Brat.
Yeah.
Okay, she's the other one.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you're so nice. You're nicer than the ones downstairs. Oh my God, they were awful.
Oh my God. Some people stay, I don't know.
Yeah. Hi, Brick Brat. Go subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hi. And check out Roxie and Rose Cartoon Adventures.
Alright,
Okay.
so that's your room right there.
Oh, we were just wondering where our room was.
That's your room.
Why the place look like this?
Girl, no worries. So many will talk about that. Many will talk. I see. I wonder. Oh, talk about it still, but it's okay.
Bye, everybody. Bye.
Alright, people. So just tune in. I come back live 5 o'clock. I'm just going to say hi because a long time I come live. I just want to come to social media and I want to be so faster. So until then, later.
No, man. This room. All in the room too. Really? They never know so we are come. Nobody prepared anything for us. But tell them I'm take us over to the other side. We shall left and go. Yeah, they don't hear the place and you're ready, man. See? So them couldn't clean up. No. You serious? You have to go there? Yes, we have to say we want to be famous. No, you won't want famous too bad. No, come, man. No, the place is relax. Go get a shower. We've been on the road for a while. Relax, get a shower, and I'll clean it up. Go on. Alright, now take off your shoes then. Seriously? These people are so serious. They didn't do anything here. They weren't prepared for us to come here. What do you want? We're not the place, y'all. They're gonna help us. Relax. Go do what you gotta do. Get things up.
Today, as I smell my outfit and so, you know, I'm going to teach my dance routine. The exercise and something. Yeah, people. I'm going to show them for exercise and dance together. Right, sure. Yes, man. So, let's go and tune in. This is the first dance I'm going to do. I'm going to go down there. You see me? I'm going to learn how to go down there. And so, you ready? You ready? You ready? Who said ready? Make sure you're ready, you know. Come here, ready?
Back it up, yeah, with the escalate bumper. Cause you know, say you want the hard way and dumper. Take it time, take it time when you are wine. Baby girl, me not play with it. I could a night and day with it. Me a split like me transport. Girl, me and you are parring at the front of me car, come on. She take a look at my Gucci glasses. She like me swag and the way I floss it. She said she want the Martha get me. You know want a little boy where I drink all it. And me alone can make she eat up and get fit. Get the trip, me lift her up like a forklift. She said we slow down cause she asthmatic. Hey girl, this a gonna make you confused. So back it up, yeah, with the escalate bumper. Cause you know say you want the hard way and dumper. Take it time when you are wine. Baby girl, me not play with it. I put a night and day with it. Me a split like me transport. Girl, me and you are parring at the front of me car, come on. She position cause she happy. And she knows a man from you I am we are not happy. So boy to licky me I tell them say be happy. Cause girls she have no fun and feel happy. She asking where I vibing. You know how long she wanna feel this thing. Y'all go crazy like the girl missing. School bell ring. And girls still a fight for me ting. The ting. Back it up, yeah, with the escalate bumper. Cause you know say you want the hard way and dumper. Take it time.
Alright people, so the one of them go right through and go right down there. So people, tune in for my next dance class. I'm gonna enjoy that one here. Make sure say you can do the dance here. Simple and easy. Yeah. Until next time. Woo! Mike, make sure you catch that good, you know, cause I don't want the people them miss not even one nail out of me just a while ago. So make sure you catch that good. Mike, pick up yourself. Nice thing good, cameraman Mike. Pick up a nice thing going this way. Out people until further notice. Out. Mike, come here, let me see what you do a while ago. Alright, Mike, you're very good, you know, but what about thing there?
Yeah, man.
Alright, get something for myself. Yeah, Crystal, somebody that come to the salon, the girl, that body, I forgot to the ear day. And you see me, I forget a free promotion on Instagram. Yeah, girl, the girl body that I has. Anyways, we talk to you later. I'm going to check the chin girl and see if you can do a collab with me. Here? Alright. Hey, hi. Hi, how you doing? I'm good. Alright, so I'm just going to ask you if you can do a collab with me and your sister. Plus, I'm going to exercise in my channel. Just a bit my name on so. Yes. Let's make it spicy and so. Yes, so I'm asking if you can do something good. You know, exercise.
Sure, no problem.
Moves. Yeah. Alright then. So later we come check for this ask your sister. She said later I'm coming. Wow, look at the room nice too.
Yes, I did a good job, Master.
Okay, alright, later.
No problem. Thank you. That's nice. I just dozed off a while ago. I can see that. I found the bathroom. Oh, you did? Yeah. You know, before you came, what's your name again? Britt, I think her name, she came to me a while ago and said that if we would like to do a collab with her or thing. Would you like to do that?
Of course. Yeah. She seemed cool. That was the nice one that was in the video.
I'm the one that was doing the video, yeah.
Oh, cool.
Pretty cool.
I'll definitely do a video.
Yeah, I told her, yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm done.
So you said the bathroom was?
Okay, the bathroom. Okay, I walk straight and it's the first white door.
First white door.
Yeah, so the first white door maybe on the right. You know, I'm gonna know my right from my left. So probably on the
No
right.
problem.
So,
Our first door right there. I'm gonna just doze off a little bit, see when you come back. First door on the right. Okay.
All right.
Yes, please, midday, I want to put my Roxie in the TV. See where it's at, man. It's not with you,